In this lesson, we're going to use our stamp game to multiply the same number together. When we do this, it's called squaring. Write this down in your books. 12 times 12. So our multiplier is the same as the multiplicand. Let's go ahead and start making this with our stamp game. To begin, I'm going to take these Skittles out of the box, and I'm going to start with these green ones that represent units. So I'll need 2 because there are 2 units in 12. And next I'm going to set out our 10 Skittle. Here we go. You can see on the mat that I have 1 blue Skittle. That represents 10. And I have 2 unit Skittles. So we have 12 represented on the mat. Now we're going to share out our stamps. We start with the units. I'm taking out 12 from the box. I took out my 10 stamp, and now I'm going to go ahead and take out 2 green unit stamps, set it up beside the first green Skittle. So this is what it looks like. I've made 10, 11, 12 beside the first unit Skittle. We need to go ahead and do that beside the next green Skittle. There we go. We have 12 beside the next green Skittle, and I see we have a blue Skittle that represents 10, which is 10 times the unit Skittle. So we are going to have to share out stamps that are worth 10 more. So I'm going to go to the stamp box, and I am going to take out a 100 stamp and start with the 100 stamp. Set it out on the mat, and then get 2 10 stamps. There we go. I'm putting 100 beside the blue Skittle, and I am going to need another 10. I'm just pulling 1 10 down now. I'm going to need 1 more. There we go. So we have made 12 times 12. Let's organize all of our stamps, our units, our 10s, and our 100, and then we can add them up to get the product, which is the answer when we're multiplying. Our unit stamps are together, our 10 stamps are together, and we have our 100 stamp there too, so we can add them up and then record it in our math books. Let's count our unit stamps. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 10 stamps. So we'll record our units and our 10s down in our math book. And we have 1 100 stamp. So go ahead and write that down in your book underneath hundreds. And we have our answer. 12 multiplied by 12, or 12 times 12, equals 144. Okay, that's it for this activity, but we're going to go ahead and keep working on squaring numbers, so multiplying numbers by themselves.